Welcome, HVAC and appliance repair business owners. We're excited to announce our latest blog post. Enhance your HVAC and appliance repair business with the new Profile Strength label on Google Business Profiles. In this video, we'll provide a brief review of the post, covering topics such as the significance of the Profile Strength label, its benefits for your business, and the importance of achieving 100% completion on the Profile Strength widget. We encourage you to read the full blog post to unlock valuable insights tailored specifically for your industry. Let's dive into the video and discover how you can enhance your HVAC and appliance repair business with the new Profile Strength label on Google Business Profiles. Elevating engagement, unveiling the increased prominence of enhanced profile metrics in the new Profile Strength label on GBP NMX. Discover how the new Profile Strength label on Google Business Profiles can elevate engagement for HVAC and appliance repair businesses. We explore the enhanced profile metrics that are now more prominent, helping your business stand out in the industry. What is the Profile Strength label? Understand the significance of the Profile Strength label specifically for HVAC and appliance repair businesses. Learn how this label provides valuable insights into the completeness and optimization of your business profile, enabling you to attract more customers. Google fixes issue: complete listings without Google Ads now marked as complete. Find out how Google has resolved the issue of complete listings without Google Ads for HVAC and appliance repair businesses. Discover how these listings are now accurately marked as complete, ensuring your business profile accurately reflects its information. What is Google trying to do with this more prominent label? Gain insights into Google's intentions behind introducing a more prominent Profile Strength label for HVAC and appliance repair businesses. Explore how Google aims to help your business optimize its profile and improve its online visibility in the competitive market. The Profile Strength widget isn't anything brand new. Learn about the evolution of the Profile Strength widget and its relevance for HVAC and appliance repair businesses. Discover how this widget aligns with Google's goals and how it can empower your business to enhance its online presence and attract more customers. Is reaching 100% completion on the Profile Strength widget beneficial for local businesses? Explore the benefits of achieving 100% completion on the Profile Strength widget specifically for HVAC and appliance repair businesses. Discover how maximizing profile completion can have a positive impact on your local business, attracting more customers and increasing credibility. Don't worry too much about the Profile Strength label. Find reassurance that the Profile Strength label is important but should not be a major source of concern for HVAC and appliance repair business owners. Gain a balanced perspective on its significance and understand that success is not solely dependent on this label. The conclusion. Summarize the key points of the blog post tailored for HVAC and appliance repair business owners. Emphasize the value of the Profile Strength label and its potential to unlock the full potential of your business on Google Business Profiles. Unlock your business's potential with our expert GBP optimization services. Unlock the full potential of your HVAC and appliance repair business with our specialized GBP optimization services. Let our expertise help you leverage the insights and strategies discussed in the blog post, empowering your business to thrive in the digital landscape. Get your free digital marketing review session. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found our video review insightful. We strongly encourage you to read the full blog post to gain in-depth knowledge and practical tips for enhancing your HVAC and appliance repair business on Google Business Profiles. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others in the industry, and consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notifications icon to stay updated with our latest content. Together, let's take your business to new heights.